Hello everyone, I'm Selene from Durmapress. This is a guillotine shearing machine, precise, efficiency, and built to last. First, this is 3.3 meters and customized ride. Its osteoided structure ensures stability. The second is hydraulic transmission provides powerful shearing. The third, motorized baggage improves efficiency. You can take a look. It's light safety protection. You can have a look. This is automatic blade clearance adjustment. And this is our company customized Schneider electric box. The fourth is E21S controller for easy operation. Welcome to contact us if you want to learn about this machine. See you next time. I'm Selene.